about to go back in. Oh. Nick, are you gonna take these out? Are you gonna take the port? Are you gonna take those out?
Let's go this way. Looky. Trying to avoid the car, guys. I don't want the car on the internet. But guess what, guys? He got it in. Tell you they wasn't that bad. Alright. Brand new engine, guys. Got the oil control valve back on. Remember, you had to remove this in order to put your engine horse tool on here. But yep. All you gotta do now is put all the top accessories on. It'd be good to go. It'll take the cowl off. Just to gain access to the. There's those. So you're pretty well set. So, man, not a bad job at let's see. Yes, guys, I thought we was gonna get to keep something, but no, we gotta return this old engine back in the basically the same condition. We got the other one out of, okay, long block. Well, you can see you didn't put all the head bolts back in there. Yep. We just need to box it back up because they want the heads and the they want the heads and the block. They want a long block back. What are they gonna do with it? I have no idea. Maybe they're gonna analyze and find out. I mean, we know what failed. The chain broke and caused this damage. So maybe they'll reman and put it back on the shelf as a reman unit. Who knows? We'll see. All right, guys. I've been told that it's official. I can come over here and help myself. So I'm about to come over here. Now, I ain't gonna have enough room for all of this. So I want all the real aluminum stuff. All that steel block HEMI and stuff. No, they can keep that. So let me go get the engine hoist. I want this 3/6 Pentastar, this aluminum head. I might keep that head to do an example on stud removal. I don't know, guys. We'll see. But for now, let me go get my truck. And I ain't got that much room on my truck. Nice, good, pretty aluminum, guys. Plus, I got to get the engine hoist. Nobody's going to help me pick this shit up and put it on the truck. What we got under here? Hey, more HEMI crap. Okay, guys, let's go get my truck. All right, stay focused, JT. Hey, look at that 200. Where you at? What is his name? Nathaniel. Nathaniel got a 200. Nathaniel, I saw your post, man. I appreciate you, man. 140,000 miles in your 9-speed transmission, never been serviced. That's a little pushing it, Nathaniel. But like I say, you only left with one option. That's just the drain and fill. You'd be wasting money on a flush because the flush is pretty much a gimmick, guys. Unless, it depends, I take that back. Unless they have the right equipment. Okay, so don't get caught up in the saying of what. Look at that SRT. Guys, the rumors y'all hearing about an SRT, I can't put people license plates on here. The rumors y'all hearing about SRT going away is just that, rumors. Okay, I'm gonna talk about that some more. But Nathaniel, you really only left with option drain and refill. Okay, and that stuff is expensive. At least the Mopar. You can have a used Valvoline. I heard some people say that. We'll talk some more, Nate. Oh God, I have baby stuff on my truck. Where is engines gonna get? And my Nissan is already loaded down. Oh no. So what I'm gonna do, put the radiators on here I can't dry this, so I gotta make some loads. I'm gonna put all the soft stuff on here now and then go over there and load up the engine. What y'all think? Good idea? Good idea. JT, all right, I gotta put this camera down because I have some work to do. So let me unload all this aluminum radiator. This is my money right here. Forget them. That's still all that radiator. I mean, all the engines and stuff. All right, guys, I can't hold the camera and talk, so stay tuned. All right, fellas, here we go. I'm in my truck. It started right up, guys. Yes, Dodge Ram Rouge. There you go, white 200, Nathaniel. Yes, I'm going inside, guys. I need the engine horse. We about to pick up some of these motors, people would call them motors. Guys, I had to change my terminology a lot when I got on YouTube, guys. People don't use normal terminology. They call engines motors, engines. They all kinds of. I hear professional, and I realize you can't beat them. Join them. So just join them. All right. So what I do, I use the same language so they can relate with me. Okay. Yes, I'm going to put some motors. Motors pretty much used to be, I guess it ain't no more, designated for electrical devices. Engine, however, is what goes in a car. All right, so I'm gonna go like right here. So grab the engine horse, and we can see how this gonna work out. All right, let's get it, guys. Ooh, who gonna help me pick this up? Nobody. I'm going to get an engine horse. Hey, look at all these HEMI parts. Anybody need some spare HEMI parts? What is this? Uh-oh. Do these wheels go too? Okay, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. I got 4 of them, I think. So 1, 2, 3. Look at that. I think I got 4 left. That's a big HEMI right there. And a transfer case and 2 heads. So they talking about I could have squeezed one more on here. What y'all think? I probably could have got one more on here, but I don't know. Keep it safe. But they want all this stuff gone. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to scrap yard in the morning. Tomorrow when I get back, I'll just grab all this. All right, I'm out till in the morning. I'll see y'all in the morning. I'm gonna fire it up in the morning when I go to scrap yard. Let's get it. All right, guys, here we go. What y'all think? 50, 100? Do I hear 200? I don't know, guys. Don't lowball me now. It's a bunch of junk, but we about to head up to the scrap yard now and see what we can get. Let's get it.